we're trying to do something that's not been done before, and part of this is including fossil fuels in the text. We'll get back to that a little bit later on in the program, but the contention over fossil fuels is probably, as expected, right front and foremost at some of the biggest conversations we're having regarding the final communique. Now, in the meantime, Hannah Barry, Karen.
Yeah, let's take a look at the stock. It's on the move today. We're up 1%, so outpacing the broader market. It is forecasting a jump in net income for 2024, with profit rising to 2.1 billion euros. That is a 24% increase. Casualty reinsurance to grow more strongly than life and health. Banco BPM expects to post a cumulative net profit of 6 billion euros in the next 3 years under a new strategic plan, betting on fee income to drive profits in future, even as interest rates begin to come down. The Italian lender says it plans to return some 4 billion euros to investors under the plan, the stock rallying 2.7+%. The jobless rate here in the UK has remained steady at 4.2% during the 3 months to October. Average earnings ex bonuses rose by 7.3%. That was slightly lower than forecast. And you can see a look at two-year gilts at this point. We're still around that 4.5% mark. Sales of general merchandise fell 7% year-on-year in the 4 weeks to December 2nd at UK supermarkets, according to data from NIQ. The research company says the data suggests consumers are delaying spending to take advantage of seasonal deals around Christmas. Total supermarket sales grew 6.8%, with a quarter of sales made on promotion. Look across the space, as you can see, from Ocado to Tesco. I think it's interesting, isn't it, that messaging coming up to the final stretch of Christmas, whether people will spend that little bit extra. What was the message last year? A little bit of luxury was what people were going for. But this year, will they be more rational in those decisions as to what they put on the Christmas table, Steve?
Yeah, and have we done Hasbro yet? I haven't mentioned Hasbro, but we'll perhaps have a quick chat with that one later on if the lovely producers can put that one into our read, because I think it's interesting what we're hearing from the US games manufacturers, which are not all pretty in the retail front. Coming up on the show, an epic victory for Fortnite maker Epic Games as it wins its legal battle against Google. We'll get Arjun on set to give us some more details after a break.